everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be Makeup Wheel chooses my makeup. So I know a few YouTubers have done this in the past where they do the wheel for the order that they do their makeup in. I'm gonna try to do it for just the colors and have it choose like my eyeshadow colors and my lipstick colors. I think Alyssa Ashley originated this challenge. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know she did colors and all that before, but I saw that a lot of YouTubers more did like the order of their makeup with the wheel challenge, but I'm just gonna stick with the colors today. So with that, I'm going to go do my face, my eyebrows, and then I'll come back when it's time for eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm back and I decided not to do my face yet because I feel like with this situation, since I don't really know what colors I'm going to be working with, I'd rather do my eyes first and then my face, just in case there's any huge fallout or I need to clean it up drastically. I'm going to do the eyes first before the face. So I have the Wheel Decider website up right now, so I'm going to put it on the screen. And yeah, I'm going to put in every color eyeshadow I think I have. So let's see what it gives me. Alright, so we have Wheel Decider up right now. wheeldecide.com, I believe is what it's called. And I'm going to enter my colors. Alright, so I'm going to type my colors in. I'm going to start off with brown, which will be like my, oops, if I can spell, my neutral colors. Then I'm going to put red, orange, yellow, oops, I'm sorry I can't spell right now, green, blue, purple, pink, black, white. I think we should just stick with that for now. We're gonna pick 3 colors. So let's see what colors it gives us. Okay, white is our first color. Let's see what the second color is. Orange is our second color, okay. And blue. Okay, our third color is blue. Okay, so let's get started with this orange creamsicle featuring blue raspberry look. So I have an idea. I think it's actually good that I got those colors because orange and blue are complementary colors if you don't know. So I feel like they're going to look good together if I can make it work. Let's get started. So we're gonna take my concealer brush and we're gonna take Drug Lord by Jeffree Star, and I'm going to just dab a little bit of that on my lid in the inner corner so I can make this white eyeshadow really pop and have something to stick to. Okay, now that we just did that, we gotta hurry up before it dries. Where did I put my brush? Oh, I found it. Okay, now we're gonna, after we just did that with the corners, I know it looks crazy, but we're gonna go back in with, what is it called? Flashback. And we're gonna pack that white shade in the corner. I'm gonna go in shade Playground right here. It's this tealish blue, light blue, I'm gonna call it that. And we're just gonna put it on the outer corner. We're gonna wing it. Wing it, wing it, wing it. And now that we're getting closer into the white shade, I'm dip into Playground right there, and then I'm also going to tap in some of Flashback so that it dims the blue shade to make it lighter, so I can have this transition right here from the white to the blue. Okay, so now we have the blue and the white applied. And now I'm just gonna clean up the edges with a makeup wipe and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna do on the bottom, I'm gonna take shade 518 right here and pack that onto the bottom. Now that we have the orange down, I kind of want to give a pop to the white a little bit, so I think I'm going to add a white shimmer to the corners. And then I'm going to dip into Blue Blood, and I'm going to take the shade Cullinan right here. I almost forgot. I forgot to put highlighter on the inner corners and my brow bone, so I have an idea. First we're going to do the eyebrow bone, and we're going to go in with Cullinan again. Tiniest bit. You don't need too much. And we're going to go in the shade 518, and we're going to mix it with Cullinan and Blue Blood and make an orange highlighter for the middle. For the inner corner. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my face and I'll be back. Okay, so now that I've done the rest of my face, I'm going to go back to the wheel decider and pick my lipstick color. Alright, so let's see. Let's apply the wheel changes and see what my lipstick color is gonna be. I hope it's not a weird color. Oh, okay, it's light nude. I'm fine with that. So our light nude is Can't Relate from the holiday collection of Jeffree Star. And yeah, I mean, I actually like that it chose that because I was hoping it wasn't going to give me like pink or something, because it would have really clashed with the look. I just realized I said that pink would make the look clash and I'm wearing pink. Oops. Okay, we have our light nude on. And I just realized now that I forgot to put a color on my waterline. So I'm going to go in with that orange color from the James Charles palette and put it on my waterline. We're going to put on some lashes and wrap this look up. Alright, now that we have our lashes on, I honestly really like these colors that it chose. I think that blue and orange actually do really go together better than most people think they would. Yeah, so I hope you guys really like this look, and if you do, leave me a thumbs up to let me know. And as for my lashes, they're very wonderful. Today I'm wearing Princess by Trace Chic Cosmetics, and like I said in my other video, if you would like, you can use my discount code KylieMUE and get 20% off your order. And yeah, thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you would like. Yeah, so that's it. That's my look for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!